Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here. And today, we're going to be teaching you how to make $80 a day passive income with strong block nodes. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV once again. And today, I found a little gem called strong block nodes. So let's just get right into it. So we're going to go ahead. We're actually going to bring up the computer today because in order to do this, you need a MetaMask account and you need the MetaMask Google Chrome extension. So we're going to go right here to strong block. We're going to check out their website first. So, Strongblock. Easily create blockchain nodes. Earn rewards. So, what is a node? First off, if you're familiar with the blockchain, each computer that basically verifies a transaction is a node. So, just like back in the day with like Napster and stuff like that, when you would pirate music and movies and stuff like that off the internet, you wouldn't download the movie from one place. So what you would do is that you would download pieces of the movie from all over the world. So you would have the entire movie from pieces of the movie. So you would be able to watch the movie, and that's how it wasn't illegal, because people weren't storing the entire movie on their computer. They were just storing a tiny little piece of it. So it's kind of like the same concept, but with the blockchain, each node is storing all of the blockchain transactions. So with each node, you record every part of the blockchain. So all these nodes are recording every single transaction simultaneously in order to verify each transaction that's going on. So that's how this is decentralized. That's how the blockchain works. And this is how you can make money from it. So, to begin, what you have to do is you need to invest in Strong Token, because everything that we're going to do today revolves around Ethereum and Strong Token. So, let's go back to their website. I like their little graphics here. They're pretty cool. Make a node, make a difference. So nodes provide crucial blockchain data, yet aren't rewarded. So there's no reason to stay in compliance. So basically what Strongblock does is each one of these nodes, usually they don't get rewarded. They're kind of just running transactions, and they're saying that they go out of date, and they incentivize it so that they don't go out of date. And they actually do everything for you guys. You guys don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do, they show some NFTs here. They don't really explain. That's the one thing about this website, that when I first came here, they didn't really explain what was going on, or, you know, what a node was or anything like that. They were kind of just like, oh, create a node and earn passive income, or earn rewards. But if you know what you're doing, if you know how the blockchain works, you know what nodes are. But it would be really cool if this was geared towards, you know, new investors, or investors that are only in the regular market, not in the crypto market, because then they would understand this better and they would know what they were doing. But yeah, so it really doesn't explain much here. I do know that if you go onto their paper, they have a full breakdown of exactly how it works. But in order to create one of their nodes, you need 10 strong block tokens. So 10 strong tokens. If you could accumulate 10 strong tokens, you can spend the strong tokens. You have to spend the tokens in order to create your node. But it's your node. It's permanently yours as long as you maintain the fees, because there is gas fees and stuff like that on the Ethereum blockchain. Everybody knows that. So $15 a month that you can pay at any time. You can prepay for, I don't know exactly how long. I prepaid for just 1 month, I believe, for each of my nodes. And yeah, so it really doesn't show you guys much right here. Let me go. Let me just take you right over to it. So this is what it looks like after you connect your MetaMask. What you're gonna do is first you're gonna purchase Ethereum. You're gonna transfer Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet. You're going to go to Uniswap, and then you're gonna put in the strong block tokens address. You're gonna purchase 10 strong block tokens. Once you go to strong block on a Google browser on your computer, you're gonna go to the strong block. You're gonna click right here on the strong block website where it says create your node. It's going to take you over here to the actual application where you're able to connect your wallet to. And each node that you create, it shows here, it rewards, let me go to all nodes. It rewards about 0.1 a day. So currently at the time of this video, strong token, it was just fluctuating right now. I'm going to go ahead and refresh that for you guys. It's at 231. So if you're getting 0.1 a day per node, you're earning $23 a day. So let's go back here. Let's go back to my notes. So you can see here I set up one node initially on August 1st. It wasn't even really August 1st. It was more like August 2nd. It was super late in the day. So it doesn't really count as August 1st, so you can't really it would give you inaccurate results if you were to count an entire day. So the August 1st doesn't really count. It was actually more like super late in the day, probably like 11 p.m., something like that. So it was more like August 2nd. Immediately after that, I created another node. So that's why it says August 2nd there. And then later on that day, or the next day after I woke up, went to sleep and woke up, I created another node. And then finally on the 4th is when I created my last node. So if you look at the little reward section over here, the first two nodes that I made around the same time are about the same 0.3. The third node, I want to say, third. It's at 0.2. And the fourth node is at 0.15. So total, I have accumulated, mainly between the first two nodes, 1.1 strong token. So again, at the time of the video, we're going to go back to CoinGecko. We're just going to pop in 1.1, and we're at 254.41. I think that's pretty cool, guys. It's pretty awesome. Best thing about this is that you can duplicate it over and over and over and over and over again. And the more you duplicate it, oh, I didn't explain this. So if you're producing 0.1, if you're producing 0.1 of a strong token per day per node, at 4 nodes, it would take you, let me pull this out for you guys. I'm going to try to keep this video short because editing takes forever. So 4 nodes. 0.4. Oh, let's start over. So we need 10 nodes, or we need 10 strong tokens to create a node. We're going to divide that by 0.4 equals 25 days. So in 25 days, I can create another node. Every time I create another node, that number gets lower and lower and lower. And you can duplicate this over and over and over again. And the results are just unlimited, guys. Definitely check this out. Invest in strong token. Build up your pile. Start some nodes. Start making passive income. And once you start making passive income, diversify. Make the money machine. Take the money and put it into other projects. You don't know how long these strong blocks are going to last. Hopefully, you want them to last. It's a blockchain on its own, so most likely they're going to be around for quite a long time. They're running off the Ethereum network, so I have strong faith in Strong Block. They are a strong team. I really have faith in the project. So, there is a stipulation in the, I believe it's a frequently asked questions, that they can reduce the reward limit. So we'll look out for that. We'll keep you guys updated on that. But the strong tokens fluctuate and they only seem to continue to go up. So if you're going to get in this project, best time is to get into it now, because eventually I'm pretty sure strong tokens are going to get outrageously expensive, and it's going to be harder and harder for the everyday person to get involved. So if you want to get involved, if you're an everyday person like me and you want to build wealth and you want to start somewhere, I suggest start here, because it has potential, guys. It has a lot of potential. So check that out. That's all we're going to do for today. If you like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all that stuff that we tell you to do. And yeah, we're out of here, guys.